I'd say any child that's curious would benefit from the book. When I was writing the book, I was actually thinking about children in general and how they learn. Children are very curious. A lot of times the process of education stifles that curiosity. Children are not encouraged to explore things on their own, especially when parents have limited time. Instead of asking them questions and allowing them to work through it, they'll give them the answer. And that's not really the way to learn. The way to learn is to actually do things hands-on. So I wrote the book with the intention of having a parent or a guardian read the book to the child, and I actually incorporated questions in the book for the child to answer. And they could use those questions to create a dialogue between the adult and the child. I would like the audience to come away with the idea that the best gift that an adult can give a child is their time.
Get a copy of Claire's Tomato